Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In this video we will discuss on detail what is email marketing campaign services. So we continue our video. Approximately 3.9 billion people worldwide use email every day for communications, and no other platforms come close to having this number of daily active users. Are you leveraging potentials of email marketing in your business strategy? Do not miss out on the opportunity to connect our brand with the right customer at the right moment and increase your sale. Enlist Thrives Internet Marketing Agency goal-driven email marketing services, and let us set up an email campaign that fits your business objective perfectly. When it comes to generating and converting leads, there is not more powerful digital marketing tactic than email marketing. Studies show that despite the growth and prominence of mobile messengers and chat applications, nearly 61% of customers prefer facilities brand interactions via email, and this preference extends across genders and age groups. The widespread usage and increasing global relevance of email make email marketing more critical than ever before. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy used by thousands of businesses worldwide to create brand recognitions, drive sales. Email marketing companies leverages different email services, provide